Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top 6 of the best immersion blenders in 2022 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So let's get started. Let's begin with the Breville BSB510XL. This Breville control grip is a fantastic tool for those who are running out of kitchen space but still need blending, whisking, and chopping capabilities. Coming in a bell-shaped base and internal ribbing brake suction, it is designed to provide greater control and efficient blending. And featuring a 280-watt motor, you can get plenty of power to last through extensive use. The shaft of the Immersion blender comes 8 inches long, making it a great tool for large pots of soups or tall cups for smoothies. And its 3-inch bell-shaped base has a no-scratch guard ring along the rim to protect pots from any damage. Finally, for controls, it offers a lot of mobility with the Breville Control Grip Immersion blender, including a 6-foot power cord, so you are not necessarily tethered to an outlet, as with the 3-foot power cords found on some hand blenders. And in addition to that, its motor housed unit is also ergonomically designed with a pistol grip, so this BSB510XL can be used for multiple dishes without causing strain on the hand. Next is Braun MultiQuick 5. This Braun MQ7035 MultiQuick hand blender is designed to make your cooking faster, simpler, and smoother. By design, it will feel well built and is also easy to clean, as the shaft can be run under hot water and is dishwasher safe. And along with the MQ505, you will also get a whisk attachment and a heatproof container as well. Featuring a Powerball system, it will let you blend ingredients in a flash, virtually eliminating splashing and saving you precious time. And coming with 350 watts, its German-engineered motor can easily blend, puree, or whisk your favorite foods in seconds. Its slip-proof ergonomic grip will offer a comfortable use, while its easy-click buttons will make changing modes a breeze. Next is Hamilton Beach 59765. This Hamilton Beach 59765 immersion hand blender is an all-in-one that can blend, whip, chop, mix, and puree. Featuring a 225-watt motor with low and high speeds, you can easily create batters, soups, and smoothies with this machine. And coming at such an affordable price, this Hamilton Beach 59765 also adds a whisk and a chopper attachment. As with these accessories, it can quickly become a multi-purpose appliance like a blender, a mini food processor, and a mixer as well. It has 3 attachments, like a stainless steel blending wand, stainless steel whisk attachment, and a 3-cup chopping bowl attachment with stainless steel blades. And all these blending wands, whisk, and chopping bowl attachments are dishwasher safe too, offering easy cleanup. Next is Cuisinart CSB-179. This Cuisinart CSB-179 is a great tool that is worth considering. It has an excellent design, variable speeds, and a quality non-splash blending stick. And along with the blender, it also adds an additional whisk and chopper attachment too, for further improving your cooking skill. Featuring a 300-watt DC motor, it is designed to deliver maximum power with minimum noise. And with its inclusion of a smart stick variable speed, this hand blender can also switch from low to high speed at the turn of a dial. It utilizes a long stainless steel shaft to reach deep to blend in bowls, pots, and pitchers, while the mixing and measuring cup, chopper, or grinder, and chef whisk can make your wide variety of food prep tasks a breeze. Next is Braun MQ7035X. This Braun Immersion blender MQ7035X is equally capable as the Braun Hand Blender MultiQuick 9 with the same features, except for the child lock feature, blade design, and blending torque. Featuring a 500-watt motor, it can help you puree, chop, mince, and blend any ingredients quickly and efficiently. And with its inclusion of the world's first active blade technology and patented Powerball Plus system, it can blend even faster and finer while reducing suction and splashing. Using its Smart Speed technology, you can adjust the speed of this blender through a convenient speed trigger. And with its Easy Click Plus system, you can also quickly change attachments as you prep, getting the versatility you need to blend, chop, whisk, mash, and puree ingredients effortlessly. Lastly, we have an excellent product from KitchenAid. This 2-speed hand blender is the most rated and the most affordable blender from the KitchenAid catalog. Despite its 2 speed levels, it can do mostly everything that expensive ones can do, from simple batters, sauces, and smoothies to the essential task of pureeing the ingredients. And featuring a detachable 8-inch wand with a fixable stainless steel splash guard, you can also use it for whipping up mayonnaise or pureeing large quantities of soup. It has an ergonomic and soft grip design, making it convenient to operate single-handedly, and adding a 5-foot cord means it's not going to limit your movement while blending. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.